here we are given a binary operation acting on A, which is given by n star n. Here and the binary operation is defined as A comma B star C comma D is equal to sum of first terms in first element and second terms in second element. We are asked to show that it's commutative and associative. So before trying to show that it's commutative and associative, let's try to understand what they mean. Commutative mean that if let's say star is some operator acting on a domain D, then for two elements A comma B which belongs to the domain D, if A star A equal to B star A, then that binary operation star is said to be commutative. Now for associative, here we have if A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. If this is followed, then the operator star or the operation star is said to be associative. So let's check in this case. Let us take this A1 B1 and A2 B2 and A3 B3. Now first commutative, A1 B1 star A2 B2 will be equal to A1 plus A2 comma B1 plus B2. This we can simply write as A2 plus A1 comma B2 plus B1, which is equal to A2 comma B2 star A1 comma B1. So here it's very clear that commutative law is followed, that is A cross B is equal to B cross A. So we just so here you might be confusing because we have two elements here, A comma B and B, sorry, A1 comma B1 and A2 comma B2. But nothing to fear, this commutative law works as long as this total first element A and second element follows this principle which says this cross A. So you have to treat this whole thing as one element. Next, associative property. So now we need A star B star C. So I'm just calling this as A, B and C. So now we get A1 B1, just the lay outside, and A star B and C. For this, if we apply the binary operation star, then we get simply A2 plus A3 comma B2 plus B3. Now this whole thing will become A1 plus this first term, that is A2 plus A3 comma, okay, this is a big bracket again, B1 plus B2 plus B3. Now we need to find on the right hand side A star B star C is equal to it's simply again A star B will become A1 plus A2 comma B1 plus B2, and then again star C1 comma, sorry, always confusing, A3 comma B3, and now this will become first term plus first term, second term plus second term. So that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 comma B1 plus B2 plus B3. So clearly this is equal to this. So that means given operation, binary operation is associative in the domain n cross n. And in the later part of the question, we are asked to find out if there is any identity. We are supposed to find that identity element. So identity is something which means that if A cross E is equal to E cross A, which is again equal to A, then that element E is said to be what you say here, identity for that operation. So here let's say E1 comma E2 is identity. We have two elements in a single element, so we need two different elements to find out. So now let's take A comma B star E1 comma E2. This will be equal to A1 plus E1 comma sorry, not A1, A plus E1, and here B plus E2. We know that this must be equal to A comma B. This will be equal when the corresponding elements are same. That is second element equal to second element, first element equal to first element. So A plus E1 is equal to A, that implies E1 is equal to 0. And similarly B plus E2 equal to A, that implies E2 equal to 0. Therefore we get the identity element E or capital E or whatever identity element E is E1 comma E2, which is simply 0 comma 0. So this is the identity element.